Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sumo Logic for security monitoring and alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type sumologic.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. You will be taken to the Sumo Logic dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and navigation. To set up security monitoring, click on the Apps section on the left sidebar. Search for security-related apps. Select an app that meets your monitoring needs. Follow the installation prompts to set up the app. After installation, configure the app settings according to your requirements. Check your alerts section to ensure notifications are enabled. You can customize alerts based on specific criteria. Once you have set everything up, start exploring the monitoring features. Regularly check the dashboard to stay updated on security events. Use the search bar to investigate specific incidents or data points. Make sure to review the documentation for advanced configuration options. Regularly monitor your email for alerts and notifications from Sumo Logic. This will help you stay informed about any security incidents or anomalies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.